Hey collectors, here is a look at Cyclops from Wave 2 of the X-Men 97 toy line, and a little shout out to Carlos for helping me get this figure. At the back of the card, you can see a whole picture of Cyclops plus the other characters included in the Wave 2 of Marvel Legends X-Men 97. Out of the card, Cyclops comes with extra hands, an extra head sculpt, plus a blast effect and a leaflet. And of course, he is in a plastic tray. Scott Summers stands below 6.5 inches tall and sports the same body as the one that you will get with the VHS version of Cyclops. And again, reminder, heat up the joints before you go on and posing this figure. And here is the backside of Cyclops. Not much paint detail. Same as what you will see with the animation for X-Men 97. The figure can hold a simple action stance. If you can find the center of balance for the figure. But again, I don't suggest leaving any action figure without any action figure support to avoid the figure falling down from your display. And this is how Cyclops looks like with the second head sculpt plus the blast effect inserted in his visor. The regular face for me looks goofy, and I wish they included a Scott Summers head sculpt with just the red glasses. And for size comparison, here he is with Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight trilogy by Model King model kit, also with Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai model kit. With Yamcha from Dragon Ball Z by SH Figure Arts and Duke from G.I. Joe Ultimates line by Super 7. With Skeletor and Trapjaw, both figures from Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection line by Mattel. And finally, with Tom Holland's Peter Parker from the No Way Home film and Snake Eyes from G.I. Joe Classified, both figures from Hasbro. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.